Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1 to Step, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change individual app notification sound on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, make sure your notification preview is turned on. To turn it on, go to your settings app, then tap on this notifications. Then you'll see this option show previews. Tap on it. Then on this page, tap on always. Now go back to notifications. Now you'll be able to see notifications on your home screen. In order to change your individual app notification sound, first you'll have to find the app. For example, I like to change the notification sound of my FaceTime app. To change the sound, first you'll have to tap on the app. Then make sure this allow notification is turned on. If this is turned off, make sure to toggle this button to turn it on. Now tap on where it says sounds. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to choose sounds. Choose any one that you like. For example, I'll select this one. Then, whenever I receive notification from FaceTime app, this sound will be played. Now, to change another app's notification sound, you'll have to select the other application. For example, I like to select Messages app. Then again, make sure that allow notification is turned on. Then tap on sounds. Now choose any sound that you like. Then that's it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.